Kritika nakshatra, the symbolism associated with this nakshatra, before that, the literal meaning of the word kritika, it resembles with, cutting and challenging things. Kritika is a critical nakshatra. They always are critical about others. They are not picky, but they stand out and they stand up for their cause because they have fire within them. And that's the strength of the Kritika Nakshatra, that they challenge the established ones. They challenge the things which they don't find it appropriate, which they don't believe in.